Hi, it's that old guy with a whiteboard, and I'm here to introduce our first YouTube course, Making Smart Work. This course will show you how SMART can be used as a practical tool to shape tasks effectively. Now, there's a lot of material out there that deals with SMART. You've probably seen some of it already, but here's the thing. Most of the time, when I'm working with management teams, I'll say, "Do you know SMART?" And someone will roll their eyes and they'll say, "Yes, of course." So I say, "Tell me what you know about SMART." And they'll say, "Oh, well, it was a long time ago. I can't really remember it." And they begin to work through the acronym. Typically, they'll get 2 or 3 correct, but can't remember the rest. And that's the problem with SMART. The acronym can get in the way. There's lots of videos out there that cover what SMART stands for, gives an example, talks about the benefits of using it. So when you ask someone about SMART, they think you mean, what does the acronym stand for? But remembering what SMART stands for is not the goal. The goal is to deliver an outcome or to change behaviour. SMART is a framework, the scaffolding, a tool that allows managers to define goals and objectives effectively so they can be delivered. This course will show you why SMART fails and how to actually make it work. We'll cover the acronym itself, but we'll also show how it can be combined with another well-known technique to stress test your objectives and to avoid common traps.